So you land on this video because you're interested in learning how to earn from multiple pools in Team Build Club. And I'm going to show you how. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur with 6 to 7 figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies. And look, if you've been following my journey with Team Build Club, then you know it's been an awesome ride. You see right now as we sit, you see people are actually joining, okay? Right now, okay? Look at, like right now as we sit and speak, you see people are joining back to back. And that's how big this thing has been taking off. So without further ado, I'm going to teach you how to be able to earn from multiple pools at once. So let's get right into it. All right, so as you can see, 3,589 members have joined, okay, since I've joined, and that was 10 days ago. Now, right now, you can see I am a diamond member, which means that I earn from the diamond pool. And what that consists of is every time someone joins any one of these levels, a percentage of that is going into the diamond pool. And the diamond pool is distributed out to everybody that's a diamond member at the end of the month. So right now, 176 members will all share whatever is in the pool. So let's say the pool has an extra $2,000, okay, but based off all the people that signed up for a basic plan, a silver, a gold, a platinum, and even diamond. So everybody that signs up, a percentage goes into that pool, okay? Now, let's say it was 2,000. So now it would be 2,000 divided by 176. So they're going to split that up with all the members that's inside that particular pool each month. And, it could be huge. Now, this is the thing. You want to take advantage of, I'm pretty sure, multiple pools maybe, right? Like myself, because, okay, yes, I'm all in at diamond and it's 176. But as you can see, it looked like the sweet one is gold. And which is $439 because most people can afford that. It's only $100 or 100 euros to be able to upgrade to gold. So a lot of people are jumping in right there. So as you can see, it might be a little bit more beneficial cost-wise to be able to be in the gold pool, but then at the same time, you earn more being in the diamond pool. So the fastest thing I thought of, or the best thing I came up with was, okay, stack the deck. And then what I mean by that is, what we're going to do is, you're going to get your main account, okay? Go as high as you can afford to go or plan to go. Okay, so let's say that's the diamond, it could be platinum, whatever it is, go. So let's say you came in at diamond, all right, like I did. So now you're set, okay? Stay there. Awesome. Now, what you want to do is you want to open up another account, okay? So you're going to share your link, okay, with yourself. You're going to open up another account. Put this one in your wife's name. Put it in a friend's name, whatever, your son's, whatever. But just open up another account with another email, okay, as you can see, as I did here. Okay. You can see them just piling in. And as you can see right here, I have a gold account. Okay. So when the gold pool pays out in a month, and as you can see already 882 members have joined after me. I just joined this one on the 18th. Okay. So as you can see, just 2 days ago, and already, I've already accumulated almost 1,000 new members that joined. Already got my 200. Okay, and you can see right here that when people join now, for the 439 new gold members that's coming in, I will get a piece of that pool. Okay, as long as I'm ahead of that. So anything I'm ahead of, I'm gonna get a piece of, and that's the way that you can stack the deck. Get 2 accounts. Have your main account, go as high as you want, get your next account and go low. So this is a way that you can take advantage of all 3 pools at once. I'm actually going to do another upgrade, especially since you see I got more than enough money to do so. So I'm going to upgrade. I'm going to wait a month to see what these pools look like. But if they look good, the gold pool's paying out good, then I'm going to do the same thing with another account and another email, and then open up a platinum. So that way now I'm in the gold pool, I'm in the platinum pool, and I'm in the diamond pool, and I'm earning from that. And then on my main account, I'll be earning from my personals and everything that my personals and people under them are doing. And that's where I'll earn, the bulk of my money from. And then these I'll just strictly use for the pool. All right. So short, sweet. Hope that made sense. All right. If you ready to get started with Team Build Club today, again, it's 100% free. As you can see, we got 15,990 free members right now. You can be the next one. And then once you believe in it, once you start making you some money, then you can go ahead and upgrade to some of the other packages. Okay. Go on your terms, not mine or anyone else's. All right. So if you're ready to do that, then hey, we made it real easy. Just text leads to 702-553-3326. Or, you know, you can do me another favor and just give me a call. Hey, give me a call. You got questions? I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. Love to answer any questions you have. All right, so I know you might notice that. You see that QR code that's been there the whole time? All right, so what that is if you scan that with your phone, if you don't know how to do so, just open up your camera, point it at that, you'll see a link pop up. Click that link, and you will be able to get access to all the ways I make money online. That's right. So just text back, and then I'll text you, and then you'll get access instantly. All right. So if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the like bell. That's right. Hit that bell. That way you get notified when I do these videos. I appreciate you. I see you on the next one. Till then, have a blessed day.